Hey everyone, so I have been working on something a bit different this time. I won't spoil it just yet, but let's just say I might be able to read your mind today. Let's jump right into the demo and see what this app can do. So here's how it works. It asks you to think of a number between 1 and 10. Now I'll go ahead and think of one, no spoilers yet. Now I'll hit the read my mind button. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go, initializing, scanning memories, analyzing brain waves, decoding thoughts. Oh, now it's calculating probabilities, and there it is. You are thinking of the number 5. How did it know? Pretty cool, right? Okay, I'll admit it's not actual magic, but it's definitely fun to mess around with. Do you want me to create a tutorial on this? Let me know in the comment section. And if you just enjoyed watching this little mind reading trick, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember, I'll be watching your thoughts next time. Bye. Take care.